Hello and welcome to Python built-in functions. This is going to be a series of tutorials about Python's built-in functions. My name is Mike Driscoll and I'm going to go through these functions with you. Did you know that Python has many built-in functions? Here's a listing of all of them straight from the Python documentation. There are over 70 built-in functions in the Python language. You don't have to import them, you can just start using them. However, not all built-in functions are functions. Some of them are callables. Some of them are decorators. Let's go back and look at this just for a minute. Static method. If you look at property, those are decorators. There's a few other ones in here that can be used as callables or classes even. So just note that while they're called built-in functions by Python's documentation, they're not all necessarily functions. So I want to welcome you to our journey of looking at the many functions that are in Python.